Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to find recently uploaded videos on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. In the search bar at the top, enter your search query and hit search. YouTube suggests relevant videos based on your search query. If you scroll through the list, you can observe that few videos are recently uploaded and few videos are uploaded long back. To filter recently uploaded videos, click the filter icon at the top. A dialog box pops up. Here, under Upload Date section, select your preferred option. Let's say last hour. Videos related to your search query uploaded in the last 1 hour will show up on your screen. If you select today, videos uploaded in the last 24 hours will show up on your screen. Similarly, you can use other search filters like this week, this month, or this year to find videos related to your search query. Thank you for watching.